Good morning, this is Shelby Law with the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing for Saturday, October 6, 2018. The fire potential impacts for the next couple of days continue to show some widespread rain across the lower elevations and higher elevation snow across the geographic area. We'll start to see some clearing move in from the west on Sunday and more significantly on Monday, while those showers will linger over mainly the higher elevations of eastern Great Basin on Monday. Yesterday was a fairly light day compared to the last 4 or 5, where we didn't see too much precipitation across the area. We're starting to see some prescribed fire popping up over some of our northern forests, and a few of our team fires are still working on closing out. The precipitation from the past 7 days is shown here with the observed amounts on the left and the percent of normal on the right. It's been a pretty wet 5 days or so, especially over the mountains of northern Utah there. Those areas have seen over a half an inch to 2 inches of rain. ERCs have been on a downward trend region-wide and below the 50th percentile for much of the area. We can take a closer look at our values here. I've seen a very dramatic drop over the last couple of days, and this is definitely region-wide. This morning's satellite imagery shows a broad, deep trough dropping into the Great Basin today. This will bring temperatures down across the area and bring another round of showers and high elevation snow to the Great Basin. So we can see this low really dropping into the geographic area by this afternoon, bringing that snow and rain mainly to the central and eastern portions of the Great Basin by this afternoon. Shown on this map are the areas we're expecting to see rain in green and snow in those blues, with the maximum temperatures today in the upper 50s to maybe near 60 across the northern valleys. More of the same is expected on Sunday, although we will see some drying move into the western half of the area. Rain and snow showers will linger mainly over the higher elevations of the eastern half of the geographic area, with temperatures coming up maybe just a bit across the west and north, but still remaining quite cool across the east. On Monday, we'll start to see some of that drier air, giving us a break in some of the showers. Just some lingering snow showers Monday morning over the higher elevations of eastern Utah and western Wyoming, with temperatures still remaining on the cool side. 3-day precipitation totals are shown here, with the bulk of the moisture coming to central and eastern Utah. Again, another maybe 1.5 inches to possibly 2 inches at some higher elevations are expected there. Tuesday should be a generally drier day, except maybe across the northern tier. And then on Wednesday, we'll see that another trough drop into the northern Rockies, bringing another chance of some showers to northern Utah. Maybe some drier air moving back into the western Great Basin by Thursday. And then generally a drier pattern by Friday. So the 7-day totals reflect much of what the 3-day totals are showing, with most of that precip coming to central and eastern Utah and up into western Wyoming and the mountains of central Idaho. Western Nevada will stay on the drier side heading into this next week. The extended forecast from the Climate Prediction Center for the middle of October here, we're looking for maybe a warmer signal on the west side and a cooler signal on the east side of the geographic area, with below normal chances for precip across the northern 2/3. This concludes today's fire potential briefing. Please check back tomorrow for the latest updates.